Hi, Teacher Ian here. How to use the words see, seen, and saw in relation to the tenses. Firstly, we have the present simple tense. I see a bird in the tree. This is a general truth or a habitual action. He sees his friends every day. We see the movie once a week. I see the bus coming down the street every morning. Do you see the bird in the tree? The cat sees the mouse and chases after it. I see a red car. She sees the doctor every month. I see the clouds moving across the sky. That's a general observation. The cat sees the dog and runs away. An automatic reaction. Next up, we have the present perfect tense. I have seen that movie before, so this implies a past experience. She has seen the Eiffel Tower. I have seen this movie 3 times already. Have you ever seen the Northern Lights? She has seen many different countries in her travels. I have seen many different animals at the zoo. He has seen that movie twice. The past action with present relevance. We have seen the Eiffel Tower. It's a completed action in the past. I have seen that movie many times. Again, past experience with present relevance. I know the story well. She has seen the Grand Canyon. It was amazing. A completed action in the past with an emphasis on the experience. Present continuous. I am seeing my friend tomorrow. It's a future arrangement. She is seeing a doctor about her knee pain. It's an ongoing situation. I am seeing my dentist next week, a future arrangement, and she is seeing a therapist to deal with her anxiety, an ongoing process. Next up, the present perfect continuous. I have been seeing my therapist for 6 months. An ongoing action that started in the past and continues to the present. They have been seeing each other for 2 years, a relationship that began in the past and continues. I am seeing my doctor tomorrow, a future arrangement or appointment. She is seeing a therapist to deal with her anxiety, an ongoing process or treatment. We are seeing a play at the theatre next weekend. This refers to a planned event in the near future. He is seeing a lot of improvement in his English lately. And this describes a gradual change or development. Are you seeing anyone these days? a casual way of asking if someone is dating. Next up, the past simple tense. I saw a dog in the park yesterday. This describes a specific action in the past. He saw his grandmother last week. Again, a specific action in the past. We saw a beautiful sunset on the beach. I saw a beautiful sunset yesterday. Did you see the dog in the park? We saw a famous actor at the restaurant last night. I saw a beautiful bird yesterday. It's a specific action in the past. They saw a movie last night, so that's a completed action in the past. And I saw a beautiful bird in the garden yesterday. Again, a specific event in the past. He saw his old friend at the supermarket. An unexpected encounter in the past. Then we have the past continuous tense. I was seeing my friend when you called. Were you seeing the movie when I texted you? The dog was seeing a squirrel climb the tree. I was seeing the movie when the phone rang. It's an action in progress in the past. He was seeing a patient when the fire alarm went off. An ongoing action interrupted by another past action. Then we have the past perfect. I had seen the movie before, so I knew what would happen. It's an action completed before another past action. And this implies that you had prior knowledge of the movie's outcome because you had watched it previously. She had seen the doctor several times before she finally got a diagnosis. She had seen the doctor several times before she finally got a diagnosis. This indicates that she had consulted with the doctor on multiple occasions before receiving a definitive medical explanation for her condition. He had seen the warning signs, but he ignored them. And this highlights that he was aware of potential dangers beforehand, but chose to disregard them. We had seen the news reports about the storm, so we decided to stay indoors. And this shows that they were prepared for the storm due to the prior knowledge from news coverage. The police had seen the suspect in the area earlier that day, and this suggests that the police had prior knowledge of the suspect's presence before the incidents occurred. Then we have future simple tense. I will see you tomorrow. Will you see your family during the holidays? We will see what happens next. We will see what happens tomorrow. And that's uncertainty about the future. That was quite a long one. I always find the tenses in all their permutations quite confusing. So good luck, watch it again, keep practicing, don't give up. See you in the next one.